Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever video on LinkedIn. Now I thought it was about time I did it because, well, it's just nice to get to know who you're dealing with, and I've been putting it off for a long time because I'm just used to being, you know, behind my desk, behind my computer, just working on websites, doing all the geeky stuff, and it's kind of where I like to hide. So I thought I'd actually put myself out here for once and actually market myself. So my name's Sophie, as you can see from my profile. I'm currently in Thailand, which is really beautiful, as you can see. I just came up this track here because I didn't really want to be doing it around all my housemates and neighbours and stuff in case we had interruptions. But yeah, I just thought I'd tell you about what I do, why I'm here, what I want to do, and so on. So I have a business called KC Marketing Creations. Based on my surname being Casey, and I create marketing materials. So the main thing I focus on at the moment is web design, with a lot of e-commerce involved. So my biggest objective at the moment is to help clients to make money basically online, so they can do things like this, you know, so you can just like sit back, let the money come in and live in paradise, or paradise as I call it, because the town I live in is actually called Pi. So I'm just going to keep it short, but I just wanted to introduce myself, and I want to be doing a few more videos coming up soon. Just really like some hints and tips, maybe some tutorials of things that small business owners can do but don't think they can do. You know, like just simple things like configuring your own tracking on your website. I know it sounds so dull, but it's absolutely crucial to your business. You know, if you don't do that, then how can you retarget to the people who saw your product, didn't buy it? Maybe they wanted to buy it, but they got distracted. Maybe they had a phone call and then thought, oh yeah, I'll go back. And then you know what it's like when you're working all the time, things just slip your mind, and, you know, it just goes on like that, doesn't it? So if I can just teach a few little things like that to business owners, it would make their lives a lot easier once it's in place. It would make conversions a lot higher, and everyone's getting richer, and the chances of moving to paradise will be a lot higher. So yeah, I'd like to hear from you. If there's anything anyone out there wants to know, wants to hear about, or just in general have a chit chat, then please get in touch, because I'll be honest, I've not been full on the whole social media thing recently, which is ironic because as I work in digital marketing, you know, social media is a big part of that, and I've just been putting it on the back burner because I've been dealing with big projects and stuff, and I thought it's about time I do my own marketing. So this is my this is my first attempt, and I hope to speak to you all soon. See you later.